I am making an attempt to make some apple jam. I have a bunch of apples, so I cut about 6 apples. I've got 2 tablespoons of pectin that I bought, and I just put a little sprinkle of cinnamon, and then I'm going to add 2.5 cups of sugar later. Now I'm using my new Pampered Chef cook blender, so all I have to do is just cut my apples, put my ingredients. You don't put the sugar until it tells you to. So all I'm going to have to do right now, it's this simple. You go down here, and I'm going to look for the jam setting right here. Right here, see? Right here, see where it says jam? I'm on jam. And then all I do is press this button right here. And now I'm just going to let it cook. And when it's ready, it's going to tell me to add, then I'll add my sugar, and then it'll continue. All right, we'll be back and we'll see our finished jam. Well, here's our apple jelly and what jam or jelly. We'll see how it turns out. I'll let you know. Have a great day. Hello, it's Keanu from Keanu Creations, making apple jelly jam from using my new Pampered Chef blender, and now I'm using the heated cleaner.